Hey guys, Xiaomi just added the Redmi K30 Ultra to its portfolio in China. It was unveiled at the company's 10th anniversary event alongside the Mi 10 Ultra and a transparent TV. Powering the phone is MediaTek's 7nm flagship SoC, the Dimensity 1000 Plus. It has 8 cores and has a max clock speed of 2.6 GHz. It supports 5G with carrier aggregation and MediaTek proprietary 5G ultra-safe power-saving technology. The chipset also incorporates Hyper Engine 2.0 technology, which optimizes the smartphone to provide a fluid and immersive gaming experience. It also supports dual-mode 5G SAR and NSA. The Redmi K30 Ultra flaunts a 6.67-inch full-screen, Full HD plus Samsung AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. It has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 1200 nits of peak brightness and HDR10 plus support. The device comes in 3 variants with up to 8GB of RAM and 512GB internal storage. To keep the thermals under check, you get a vapor chamber that is said to be capable of reducing the temperature by up to 10 degrees. Onto the camera segment, the Redmi K30 Ultra features a quad camera stack. It has a 64-megapixel Sony sensor, a 13-megapixel 119-degree wide-angle lens, followed by a 5-megapixel telephoto lens and a portrait lens. Over to the front, you get a pop-up camera with 20-megapixel snapper. To power all internals, the device is backed by a 4500 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging support over the Type-C interface. It also supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 Plus and Power Delivery Protocol. Other features include Wi-Fi 6, dual-band Wi-Fi, 2x2 MIMO, Bluetooth 5.1, stereo dual super linear speakers, high-res audio, aptX HD, IR blaster, and NFC. It runs on MIUI 12 based on Android 10. For biometrics, you get an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Redmi K30 Ultra starts at 1,999 Chinese yuan or 21,400 rupees and goes up to 2,499 Chinese yuan or 26,800 rupees for the 8 plus 512GB variant. The device will go on sale in China starting August 13th. There is no word on the India launch yet. Looking at the specs and pricing, we can't help but think of the Redmi K30 Ultra to become the long-awaited Poco F2 in countries such as India.